Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning the VLOOKUP using the Microsoft Excel. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. Now, VLOOKUP is specified into two. We have the VLOOKUP function with the range lookup true. Then we have the VLOOKUP with the range lookup false. Let's say this is the exam result for a particular school. Now, for instance now, any mark that is greater than 85 will be first class with distinction, and any mark that is greater than that is in between 35 and 40 should be a what? Third. While any mark below 35 will be fail. Now we can't be doing this manually by start typing, at least for 85, start typing first class distinction. This will take a lot of time. Now there is a function in Excel called the VLOOKUP. Firstly, we need to create a name array. Now we left click our mouse and select everything here. Then we go to this cell here, and let's say we want to create this. Let's use mark. Press enter. Now, so is equals to VLOOKUP. What is my lookup value? 85. What is my table array? My table array is the mark that I created here. So we call this function. We call this mark. That's the table array we created that time. That is, we specified everything here by holding our left click on the mouse. Can you see? So mark, that's my table array. Can you see that? Then my column index. What's my column index? We go to this criteria here. This marks will be 1, while for this pass category will be 2. So we want to return this value here, that is the pass category. So we are returning 2. And the last function is what? The range lookup. We have true and the false. The true is what? The approximate match, while the false is what? The exact match. Now here we want the approximate match. That is, any value that is greater than 85 should be what? The first class with distinction. So we use what? The appropriate match, not the exact match. In the second part of this tutorial, we'll be learning the what? The exact match. Now let's press true. So now we need to autofill this cell. We're going to this bottom here. The plus sign will show. Can you see that? Plus sign will show. So then we drag it down. Can you see? Can you see that is 35 and above third? Can you see for 57? It is 57 to 60 to be what? Second class. Now let's go to the second part of this tutorial, which is what? The VLOOKUP with what? The range lookup false. Let's say we have this product ID here. I want to return the exact match for this product ID. That is the price. Now go by. Firstly, we need to create the name range. So we select the data here. Select everything there. We go to this cell here. You can call this product info. Press enter. So go to this cell is equals to VLOOKUP. What is my lookup value? That is this product ID here. Then my table array already created, which is what? The product info. Can you see? Then what is my column index? This is what? 1, 2, and 3. We want to return this what? This price value here. So we specify 3. Then my range lookup is what? False. We want it to be the exact match. Can you see? What is my exact match for this product ID here? Can you see? This is what? 232. Now, the last part of this tutorial is what? Is the HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP means the horizontal lookup. Now, can you see that there's a difference between this VLOOKUP and this HLOOKUP here? Now, for this VLOOKUP, the criteria here is specified what? As a column. Can you see? As a column. While for the HLOOKUP, it's specified as what? As a row. Can you see? That's the difference. Now, we have to be careful when the criteria is given as a what? As a row. So we use what? The HLOOKUP. First, we need to specify our name range. So we select everything here, starting from this 0. You can call this what? Grades. Go to this cell. Press enter. So is equals to. We are not using VLOOKUP here. We are using what? The HLOOKUP. Which is the what? The horizontal lookup. So what's my lookup value? 85. My table array, which is what? Grade. Can you see? My row index number, that is 1 and 2. We want it to return this pass category, which is what? 2. Then we want what? The approximate match. Can you see? Can you see that? We got the same result, but using different function. That is the VLOOKUP, which is used for the what? Can you see? VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP. Now, thanks for watching this video.